Welcome. My name is Dawn Apgar, and I'm joined today by Michael Saavedra. I am a member of the steering committee, the planning committee for the second annual Law and Social Work National Symposium, and Michael will be a keynote presenter on Friday. So I wanted to give Michael a chance to just say a few words. I know I'm really excited about his presentation, and he'll have a lot more time to talk then. So for those of you that might not have read Michael's bio, he has a lot of lived experience in the justice system, and I think that's really informed his views uh, about reforms that need to take place. So, Michael, could you just in like a sentence or two talk a little bit about how your lived experience has, has changed you, and maybe some of the recommendations and things that you want those who are going to be at the conference to know um, about the criminal justice system?
Definitely, thank you. I mean, for one, as a person who spent over 19 and a half years in prison, 15 of that inside solitary confinement, I have a lot of input, I would say, or issues to address or to raise. I would like to see people think about one of our campaigns, which is to end solitary confinement, especially here in California under the Mandela Act, which is something that is very important to me, and I think to our population, our citizens, our people who are incarcerated, because um, studies, scientists, doctors have shown that solitary confinement only harms people. It does not rehabilitate people. It does no justice to anybody, and it's typically well, I've never seen it being ordered by a judge. It's typically people are thrown in solitary confinement at the discretion of the guards. And so that can be abusive, as we have seen. We've seen people spend 20, 30, 40 years in solitary confinement without any type of resources, without any type of education. And so this is a form of
Mm.
torture that does not benefit society in any way. And I would like to show more about our film and talk more about my experience, and also the law part of it, of my pathway to law, being a jailhouse lawyer, winning my own cases inside, and now on that pathway to law school, having graduated from UCLA undergrad.
You're an inspiration really to others. And I know at the conference, we're going to have educators. My own students are going to be there. And when I was talking about the conference, you actually were the person I said, I've met someone who's speaking, and talked a little bit about our first conversation. And they were, first of all, they couldn't believe that people are still in solitary confinement. They were shocked. So I think people are going to be really surprised by your experiences. They may not realize that that's even happening. And they were really excited, I think, to hear from you because you've experienced it, and your voice is extremely important. So first of all, I just want to thank you for joining us on Friday, and we're all excited to have you and to hear more about your story and your recommendation. So thanks so much.
Thank you. I appreciate y'all very much. And I'm excited as well. Can't wait to see you all.